So today, I'm going to be installing my Nardi steering wheel on my 2017 Toyota 86. So, step one, you got to disconnect the battery. Is that a Supra? I'll disconnect both positive and negative, just so you don't have an airbag blow up in your face. Step two you should mount your quick release to your steering wheel. So the steering wheel I went for is a Nardi. It's a deep corn and it's the suede one. Step three, you'll need a flathead screwdriver. You're gonna hop inside, and there's gonna be 3 retaining clips. So there should be one right there. There's one underneath. Let's see if I can get it. And then there's one on the other side too. It's a lot more difficult when you're doing this by yourself. You'll notice right here that there's going to be only, you can see it from the front now. Those are the retainer clips. They're in a little bit different of a spot. And also on the 86s, you actually have to remove these 2 screws right there. And I already removed that one. Yes, sir. Got the quick release on there. Yeah, look, PB boy. Son. Son. That's so clean. AKA, working on your car is always going to be a pain in the ass. Checking them all. So today, I got a personal training assessment. Meeting up with this guy named Corey at LA Fitness, and hopefully he kicks my ass. So, day 2 of hitting the gym. I can barely pick up my legs or squat down or pick up my arms. Found out that I'm in pretty bad shape. Let's see here. We did a fitness assessment and my 3-minute step test, my pulse was at 126 to 161, which is in the very poor category. My push-up test, which I'm getting off of wrist surgery not too long ago. It's been about like a month or two now. I was able to do 12 on my knuckles. Let's see here. Wall sits. Yeah, those kicked my ass. I was able to do a wall sit for 56 seconds. And then my planks, 56 seconds is an excellent category. By no means is it excellent at all. And then my plank test, I was able to go for 49 seconds in a plank, which isn't too bad, but that's in the average category. So now I gotta get my car ready, because I'm running a drift event this weekend, so should be fun. I gotta go home and eat something though, 'cause I'm starving. But as of today, I weigh 225 pounds. And my goal is to get down to 180 pounds by this time next year. So, we'll see. Definitely gonna give it my best shot. And for the fact of me even recording this is pretty bold, I would say. So, I got to get my 86 ready this week. Sell a bunch of cars. And clean this Sequoia up. Because depending on how my bread lines up, I might even tow with this thing for the first time. Which that should be a journey in itself. So, I'll check in a little bit later. So, just getting back from the gym. And some goodies showed up. So I'm going to be running these on the front. So I got some Achilles ATR Sport 2s. These are going to be 225 45 17s. And I'm going to be running these on the front. So time to go throw this in the back of 86. And I'll be at work tomorrow. So just a little overview for the drift event on Friday. My fronts are pretty much shot. So, and these rears are completely crap too. See it from there, but I'm going to be running these 225s up front, and then for these guys right here, I ordered another set of Achilles as well. They're just not as big as these. These are 265 35 18s, and I was able to spin them. I just had a little bit of difficulty spinning them. So I went down, I think I went to a 245. So I'll see how that works, and I'll be able to show you how it actually transcends on Friday too. So in the meantime, let me throw those